Okay guys, let's go into the kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. And we are going into the kitchen to do some Belizean Jenny cake with my twist to the Jenny cake. Yes guys, come on, you have to do a little thing and thing. Yeah. Anyway guys, let's go in the kitchen and do some Jenny cake. And I will be doing some scrambled eggs with spinach, and I have some turkey sausage. And mom will be doing some fried fish. Ooh, we have options, guys. Ooh. Alright guys, let's go into the kitchen and do the Jenny cake so we can have some breakfast. Okay guys, now we are about to make some Jenny cake. I have my whole wheat flour, everything already pre-measured, and I will be leaving the ingredients, the measurements in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Okay, I have unsalted butter here. I'm going to need to get a knife to cut. So let's use just about that. Alright, now we're gonna do, this is coconut oil, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and this is my first twist for the Jenny cake. I'm using some flaxseeds, some ground flaxseed. That's optional. You don't need to do that, guys. That's just mine. Okay? But if you choose to do that, do you, boo? I'm using chicken broth for the liquid. I warm it up a little bit. Normally I would use coconut milk or water. And I don't want to use any of those. So I use chicken broth. But you don't have to use chicken broth. You can also use vegetable broth, or you can use beef broth. Your choice, boo. Okay. You can do this in your food processor, but I always enjoy doing it by my hands. I prefer to use my hands. I know my sister would prefer to use her food processor. She's like, oh my god, you could do that in, how just a seconds, minutes. Yeah. Nice. But I like the feel of the dough. The feel of love. Alright, I'm just trying to mix everything in here. This is another breakfast that we use at home in Belize. So I know all my Belizean families and friends, and now all my other friends, all my other YouTube friends will know how to do the Jenny cake. The Belizean Jenny cake. Some people call it journey cake. I'm not sure if it's the same thing. Jenny cake, journey cake. Hey. And you can use it to make sandwiches. So you can do a lunch. You can prepare it for sandwich. And you can do like a chicken sandwich if you have chicken salad sandwich. If you have a chicken salad, this would make you could use a chicken salad and make a chicken salad sandwich with this. Ooh, now there's an idea. We normally would have it with fried fish. Fried fish or Jenny cake for breakfast My mom says she's gonna fry some fried fish. She'll do some fried fish. I'm gonna hold her to it. Okay. If you guys saw the fried jack, the video with the fried jack, if you didn't, go and look at it, guys. It's gonna be posted just before this, so you can go and take a look at it. Because I also did a twist in there. I'm getting all creative. Look at me. Ooh, yes, Lord. Okay, I have to get a little bit more chicken broth. And try not to, get it too moist. I think I need to put a little bit more broth in there. See? The coconut oil. There, guys. All that will get melted out. And also will help the Johnny cake to be a little flaky. And the table kneaded out. Yeah. Put it, take it out. Knead it out on the table. Put it over there for now. Let's work it. Work it, work it. Let's keep working it, guys. Just work it out. And we're going to portion them. Set the dough aside to rest. And then we start to bake them. I have some turkey sausage that I'm going to use for this, for breakfast. Some turkey sausage and spinach and eggs. Okay. And guys, I still can't find my dough cutter. No, don't have any clue what I do with it. I found it like a week ago. And then there it goes. Then it disappeared and acted me again. And I come across it. I think I want to tie a bell on that little bugger. Okay. If you ever go to Belize for breakfast, this is one of the stuff they'll offer you. And no, they don't have flaxseed in it. So, they have it plain. Let this rest a little bit. Okay guys, let me finish roll this out and we'll be back. Okay guys, I finished roll out. Put a little bit of oil and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Or you can leave it to sit overnight. Yes. Oh, overnight dough. Okay. Let them sit for a bit. About half an hour or more. Maybe an hour. Nah, half an hour. It's breakfast. Let's cover this up a little. And then... Okay, guys. Oh, it's been resting. They've been resting. So, let's... Oh, I need to get a fork. These, and oh guys, this is good if you do your prep on Sundays. You could make some of these and then have it during the week, because you can take it for lunch. As I said, you can make a sandwich out of it and take it for lunch with your chicken salad, or if you have any cold cuts, put some mustard, lettuce, tomatoes, whatever protein you have, baked chicken, or some roast beef. Ooh, I must be hungry. I have all kind of good thoughts. All kind of good thoughts is coming up, guys. Just coming up, just pouring out. A friend of mine said took some of these to work for her, and she was like, "Oh, these are like homemade English muffins, Caribbean English muffins." That's what she called it. I was like, "Girl, don't be changing it. It's Johnny Cake." Okay, guys, I remember when my grandmother used to make the Johnny cake. She used to also she used to do it in on the fire hot. Oh my God, guys, the Johnny cake on the fire hot. Mm-mm. 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 It is so good. You can eat one, you can eat two, you might eat three. Okay, and then we'll pop this in the oven for maybe about 20 minutes until it's nice and brown. Not brown, brown. Golden brown. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, I got 2 sheet tray out of that dough that I made. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. And I will be leaving all the ingredients, measurements in the description below. Put this in the oven. Okay, guys, while Johnny cake is baking, I'm gonna do some spinach and eggs, and I have some turkey sausage. Yeah. See you guys in a few. Okay, guys, this is my eggs and my sausage, and all I'm waiting for now is for the Johnny cake to finish, and yes, we'll enjoy. Okay, guys, we are ready for the Johnny cake, the eggs, the sausage, and a slice of a tomato. And breakfast will be served. Yes. Okay, guys. These are the Johnny cakes. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And I should have left it a little bit about that, but I don't really like fat Johnny cake. I know my mother gonna say, "Oh my God, they're so thin." Then she'll say, "Oh my God, it tastes so good." Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave them to cool off, and then we'll do our thing. Okay, guys. Normally I would put some mustard on it, but God, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna cut it in half. So each of them in half. Okay, guys. Oh my God, guys, they were so flaky. Ooh, I had to cut them in half so you guys can see what I had inside it. You know, just had to show it off. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Take a bite. Okay, guys. Oh my God, that was good. You see the bite I took? Lord of mercy. Woo! That was good. Now let's try the other one. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. I know, Cherry, you need hot sauce. I need a little bit of spice in it, right? Put some hot sauce on this. And guys, breakfast to go. You can leave the tomato and put the tomato aside if you're taking it with you. Hey, if you don't mind, put it in there. Hey, do your thing, boo. Okay, guys. Normally, I would just pack this, wrap this up in foil, and take it to work with me. And that would be breakfast. Or lunch. Hey, you chose. Okay, guys, this is the fish. Oh my God, guys. My mother did her thing. So we had fried fish with Jenny cake and sauteed onion and tomatoes. Breakfast, guys. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Oh, those Jenny cake came out good. I should have made them a little fatter. Next time I made them, I'm going to make them a little fatter because I have something else I want to use for the next one. But that's not going to be right now. So, anyway. Man, those Jenny cake came out good. My mother enjoyed it. She enjoyed every one of them. Yes. She ate to her heart content. And you see how I had them? You know, make sandwiches out of them. Because you can make your sandwiches and take them for lunch. Guys, Jenny cake. Some people call them journey cake. And the reason why they call them journey cake is because they travel well. So you can make a sandwich with them, pack it up, and take it to work, take it to school. Guys, you can make those in advance. Pop them in the microwave, cut them open, put your eggs and stuff in it. If you make egg salad sandwich, chicken salad sandwich, hey, nobody judging. Enjoy, and you can even lick your fingers. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Don't forget to tap the bell. And you can also follow me on my Instagram page and my Facebook page. Across the board, it's Caribbeanj. God bless. Stay safe.